Where do you live?
I live in Pasadena.
Where is Pasadena?
It's in California.
Is it in Northern California?
No. It's in Southern California.
Is Pasadena a big city?
It's pretty big.
How big is pretty big?
It has about 140,000 people.
How big is Los Angeles?
It has about 3 million people.
Wow. Okay, see you soon.
Oak, bye. Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
What kind of car do you have?
I have a Jeep.
Is it new?
It was new in 2003.
So, it's pretty old now.
Yes, it is. But it still looks good.
Do you take good care of it?
Oh, yes. I wash it once a week.
Do you change the oil?
My mechanic changes the oil twice a year.
It's nice. Okay, see you soon.
All right. Take care.